Hey guys, my name is Alexia and I am currently a USF student studying elementary education as I hope to be my future profession as a kindergarten teacher. I will go through my ePortfolio for you guys so that you guys can see a little bit about what is going on. So I have attached the ePortfolio to my blog that we have been using to do discussions and use all of our programs with. So I'll go under the listed tabs. So first is the About Me page. Here I've added a little bit about me and it directly links to all the things. So I have a few little tidbits about myself as well as what I made the About Me page for and the portfolio, as well as my love for elephants. So it just gets a little bit of personal for me. To go back to my ePortfolio, I click on ePortfolio. And then it brings me back to the page that has all the links on it. And then we'll head down to our resume. So with my resume, I have attached it on here and it's directly for all of the employers to see. I have included my high school GPA, my USF GPA, as well as my previous employment and the activities and awards that I did, as well as volunteer activities. And then we'll go back to my ePortfolio again, and we'll click on Sample Work. Now, for the sample work, I have attached a modified lesson plan. As I said, I was going to be an elementary education teacher, and I have attached a lesson plan that I adapted for ESOL students who are on that track. And I did, I believe, a vocabulary lesson that uses picture books, and in the red I have adapted that to an ESOL classroom. So this is perfect for my career as a teacher, and hopefully it could help me in pursuing a job application as well, so that way the employers can see that I have adapted and improved lesson plans for students throughout the ESOL course. Then we'll head back to our ePortfolio and then we'll click on Link to Blog. And this brings us back to my blog, which maintains all of our current and previous blogs that I have done. And then we'll head back to our ePortfolio so I can talk about some of the issues that I had when creating this. At first, I didn't think that I wanted to do my ePortfolio on my blog because I thought that was a bit too much, but then I found that it was kind of quite easy, in fact, to do. One of the main things was the home blog that I established here was easy to maneuver, and I had already known what to do since we were doing blogs beforehand. And a majority of the links that I have here were super easy to put into, and all I had to do was click the link page when I was making the blog post. So the main issue that I had with the ePortfolio was the fact that I couldn't link direct documents onto my portfolio. So for example, my resume, this is a screenshot of my resume. I had another page. It was very, very minimal, but I would have liked to add that as a full document, but since they only allowed pictures, I had to take a screenshot of it. So I found a way to maneuver it and it works for me, which is totally fine, but I would have liked a full document in use on the blog page. So to conclude, I loved using the ePortfolio and I totally enjoyed making it and learning about how to establish and create a blog using my own information. And I feel like it's super simple and perfect for me to use in my future career and job applications, as it's an easy way as all of my sample works and resume and documents are all in one place for the employers to look at. So thank you so much for listening. Have a great rest of your day.